Hello, and welcome to our weekly update. I'm your fellow student and host, Norman Andre. As we mentioned last week, this space is for students by students. This is where we share information about events, opportunities, as well as ongoing reminders and deadlines. Our mission is to help with the journey as we prepare for a career in media. Now here's what's happening this week. On Tuesday, December 21st at 1 p.m., radio personality Larry Uliberri will be here on campus. Larry is a huge name in Denver radio, and he will be talking about the art of podcasting. This will be on Tuesday, December 21st at 1 p.m. in Classroom 1. CMS is hosting a food collection drive until December 23rd, benefiting the Action Center. The center is in need of non-perishable items like cereal, rice, canned fruits, beans, and meats. Please drop off your donations outside the TV studio's control room and help us keep our community fed. On the opportunities sector, we want to highlight an internship position that's become available with 9 News Denver. The role is to help support with their content efforts regarding race and culture. Hours are flexible and pay is $16 an hour. Let me take a moment to share how rare it is in the age of COVID to have a local TV network looking for interns. So, are you ready to apply? See Debbie Bird, our Career Services Director, or you can email her at dbird@beonair.com. Also, don't forget to check out the Career Board for other opportunities. Next, it's time for Get to Know Our Faculty and Staff segment. This week, we're speaking with our newest member of staff, Crystal Field.
I'm Crystal Field. I am a mom of 2 grown children. I'm very happily married. Been in Colorado for about 20 years. My function here on campus is the education coordinator. So it's my job to make sure that students and faculty are getting everything they need, and I'm here to assist in any way possible. I came to work at CMS because I heard there was an opportunity in this position, and it's experience I have from previous schools, and I really missed working in a school, so I wanted to come back and just get started to help students and faculty. Students can see me for anything. If they need help getting an assignment made up, if they need one-on-one tutoring or extra help with any subject or assignment or project. If there's anything personal going on in their life, if they're going to miss any school, they can come see me. We can help make sure that they're staying on track for graduation. I've helped students in the past with some personal issues, so it's not just about curriculum or assignments. If students are having a rough time, they can come see me, and we'll definitely make sure that they're taken care of. One of my passions in life is definitely helping people. That can look so many different ways, right? I worked at a healthcare school, and at that school, everybody wanted to help. But those are nurses and people who work in hospitals, and the blood and the guts are not for me. So as much as I like helping people, I like helping people in a more administrative type setting. I can research things for them. I can definitely pull any resources that we have. But sometimes just being an ear to listen is really all the help they need. One thing people should never say or do to remain on my good side is do not tell me I'm a bad cook. No, seriously, I really like it when people advocate for themselves. I like it when people ask for help. So anyone who needs help or needs assistance that comes to me, bring it all to the table and we'll work through it. To score brownie points with me, tell me I'm a good cook. No, seriously. Really, I like it when people are accountable for themselves. And I know even as something as simple as being behind on an assignment, it can be hard to ask for help. It can be embarrassing maybe. But I'm not here for that. I'm definitely here to help people stay on track and graduate on time. So to get brownie points with me, really what they need to do is just be open and honest. Tell me where they're at and tell me what they need.
Let's move on to a few reminders and deadlines. On February 8th, 2022, Colorado Media School will be moving into a new space located at 4380 South Syracuse Street in DTC. Classes will continue to meet as regularly scheduled, but will be virtual the week of January 31st. They will resume on site in the new location on Tuesday, February 8th. We're all expected to continue to attend classes as attendance will still be taken during that time. A friendly reminder that monthly tuition payments are due on the 15th of each month. Have any questions or concerns? Please contact Diana Sandoval, our financial aid coordinator, at dsandoval@beonair.com. Are you working on and submitting internship hours? The magic number is 160, my friends. After-class studio time and related activities may count. See Debbie Bird or talk to any of your teachers if you have any questions. Remember to also continue working on the LMS online courses, as these are part of our requirements to graduate. If you have any problems accessing the site, contact Luis Quinones at lquinones@beonair.com. Last but not least, let your voice be heard as you take another requirement by completing the weekly reflection survey. These are emailed to us weekly by our campus director, Jennifer Wickham. This concludes our second edition of CMS News. Please contact us at cmsnewsforyou@gmail.com with any comments, ideas, or if you'd like to feature an event on this show. On behalf of CMS News, we'd like to wish you happy and safe holidays. Thank you for watching and see you around. Now here's what's happening this week. Sorry, let's go back. Start that again. From the top there.